Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today we've got some exciting leaks to dive into for all the drone enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro, the next evolution in DJI's Mini series. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot, a content creator, or someone looking to capture stunning aerial shots, this drone is shaping up to have something for everyone. We'll be breaking down the leaked details about its design, camera, flight performance, smart features, and more to give you an early look at what might just be DJI's most impressive mini drone yet. If you're eager for more information, check out the links in the description below. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tech update from us. So, without any further delay, let's jump right into the leaks and see what the DJI Mini 5 Pro has in store. Starting with the design, DJI is keeping its signature lightweight, foldable form. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to weigh just under 250 grams, which is great because it stays under the legal weight limit for drone registration in many countries. Perfect for travel, this drone will fit easily into your backpack. Plus, the aerodynamic build is said to improve stability in windy conditions. Definitely a plus if you're always on the move. Now, let's talk camera. Leaks suggest the DJI Mini 5 Pro will feature a 1-inch sensor capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second and capturing 48 megapixel stills. That's a big leap from previous models and will make a difference for those who want professional-grade footage. The camera is likely to be mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring smooth, stable shots. And for those who love editing, it's rumored to support raw image capture, giving you more control over your final shots. Moving on to flight performance, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to offer a max flight time of 34 minutes. But if you opt for the extended battery, you could get up to 47 minutes. That's pretty impressive for such a compact drone. In terms of range, leaks suggest up to 10 kilometers of transmission distance, which is more than enough for most scenarios. Also, it's rumored to have obstacle detection sensors on all sides, making it safer to fly in tight spaces or complex environments. Now, onto the smart features. Like previous DJI models, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to have intelligent flight modes, but with some upgrades. The big one is Active Track 4.0, which will improve subject tracking. Then you've got quick shots for automatic cinematic shots, panorama mode for wide landscape shots, and the Master Shots feature, which combines multiple shots into one clip automatically. These features are designed for both beginners and advanced users, offering versatility no matter your skill level. As for the price, rumors suggest the DJI Mini 5 Pro will be priced around $999. Keep in mind that this is an estimate, and it could vary based on your region or the bundles offered at launch. Speaking of launch, we expect it to hit the market later this year, but there's no official confirmation from DJI yet. So, stay tuned for updates. To wrap things up, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a fantastic drone, packed with significant upgrades that will excite both casual users and professional content creators alike. With enhanced camera capabilities like the 1-inch sensor for 4K video and 48 megapixel stills, along with improvements in flight time and safety features like all-direction obstacle sensors, it's clear DJI has refined this model to stand out in the crowded drone market. Whether you're looking for smooth, professional footage for your projects or just want a reliable, easy-to-fly drone for your adventures, the Mini 5 Pro looks set to deliver excellent value. I, for one, am eagerly awaiting its official release and can't wait to see how it performs in real-world tests. What about you? Are you excited for the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Let me know in the comments. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more drone news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And these are some leaks of upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you want more information about this drone, you will find the links in the description below. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison or review, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.